Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Flow Launcher in your computer in a very simple way. Flow Launcher is a modern open source app launcher with a rich plugin ecosystem. So how you can simply download it, open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Flow Launcher. Simple. Flow Launcher download, click on that, and then if you want to click on the Flow Launcher, click on that, click on download, and click on installer. Click on download, and as you can see, the download has been started, and now you can see the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, and simply minimize all of your background cell. And as you can see right now, welcome to Flow Launcher is rightly opened. So you have to select the system language, and you can simply select any of your preferable one, and then simply click on next, next, and next, and done. That's it. So now whenever you're using Flow Launcher, you can simply open it, and after opening it, you can simply use it with a very simple way. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.